My name is Bilal Benedieff, and I am the founder of Lucius Institute France. I have been wearing a hair supplement for over 3 years now, and I can assure you that it has changed my life. This experience is what drove me to make it my profession. Making a living by making people happy is the best job in the world. After 3 years of traveling to the 4 corners of the world, visiting manufacturing factories in China, as well as the United States and Brazil, to learn from the best in the field. Working hard 24/7 to try to constantly understand and effectively and efficiently improve the way to use hair supplements. Make it more beautiful, undetectable, more realistic, and also find the best possible fixing products. I have acquired the experience and expertise necessary to absolutely offer you the best tutorials that exist. In a fun and simple way, they will help you apply your hair supplement, but also do your monthly maintenance, touch up your front hairlines, and do your coloring. This comprehensive masterclass, in the form of a tutorial, has been adapted for both individuals and professionals and detailed. Tutorials by categories: afro hair, curly hair, and straight hair, because these are completely different techniques. Once you purchase this tutorial, hair supplements will no longer be a mystery to you, such as